The next thing we'd like to cover on the DUPLO is the paper jam button. So let's say you're running your copies and all of a sudden you get a paper jam, which we're going to create. Okay, the machine will tell you there's a paper jam on the ejection side. How you clear that is you press this yellow button here, press it down until you hear a beep. Once the machine beeps, it's cleared your jam. You could actually take that piece of paper out because it doesn't copy it, discard it, go ahead and press stop, and then press the green print button. It'll resume printing from where you left off. Okay, so the next step is how do you take your drum out? So sometimes when you press the yellow button on the ejection side and it doesn't necessarily clear your jam, then you would have to pull the drum out. How you pull your drum out is with this lever here. However, you cannot just pull this up. You have to press the yellow button, wait for the green light to turn on. Once your green light is turned on, now you can lift your lever and then pull your drum out. Okay, so if you have blank copies coming out, it's because you have something stuck on the drum. Now keep in mind, that's why we emphasize that you want to make sure you flip your original with a dark leading edge. Right here is an example of what happens when you run something with a dark leading edge. You'll see that my copy is actually stuck onto my drum. Now there's two things you can do. When your copy is still white and fresh, you can simply release the drum. It's locked in place here. Okay, and you can rotate it until you get to the edge of the white paper, and then just rotate your drum back and you can peel that paper off. Make sure it locks back in place. Now you notice that bold leading edge is what causes it to stick. Now keep in mind, you must make a new master. Otherwise, if you make a master with that dark leading edge first, it's gonna stick again. Now if the paper becomes so saturated with ink that it's no longer white, now you must rotate your drum, and then you're gonna also peel your master along with a piece of paper off. Otherwise, if the paper is just still white, just peel the paper off, rotate your drum until it locks back in place in the home position, and then now you can push your drum back in. So that concludes the basic training on the DUPLO 330. I hope you found it helpful. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.